Chick Babes, Chick Fur Babies, and Lux Babes. How have y'all been doing today on this beautiful Thursday? I am doing an unboxing, and look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. I finally got it. The new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes. When I do it big. Y'all see that? 14 Pro Max. So, I got this from Spectrum. They had a great deal. I always shop around for whatever I want to see if I can get a great deal, and I got a great deal. So, and of course, okay. Mm-hmm. That's the background I chose. This is nice big. Okay, can y'all see that? Let's see. I love it. This is the Mercedes-Benz of iPhones. Yes, the Mercedes-Benz of iPhones, y'all. So it has so many neat features. It has so many neat features. Of course, I have all my apps. I have all my apps on this. You can get 128 gigabytes and you could get 258 gigabytes. And I think up to like 1 gigabytes as well. Yes, but I am so excited. It has, let's see the new functions that it has on here. Okay, let's look at the wallpaper, the different wallpapers. They have so many nice wallpapers. I hope y'all can see that. Let's see that. Customize all these nice wallpapers. Oh, I love them. I love this one. And it's another with the oval shape. There it is. I love it. I love it. Let's see what else it has. Okay. This is all the camera settings. Okay. So this is going to be great for recording my videos. I am so excited. Now I'm going to keep this one for, I would say I'm going to keep this one for at least 2 years. I'm going to keep this one for at least two. Okay, so you have, of course, you can set it however you want it. Record video, record slow motion, record cinematic, record stereo sound. Very good phone. Preserve settings, volume up for burst, scan QR codes. Can you see all that? So many nice functions. Okay, mirror front mirror front camera. Oh, let me go back. So I'm gonna turn that on. Okay. I love it. So y'all know I'm going to be playing around with this all day to check out all the new functions, all the fancy functions. And I'm going to add the Apple Care and coverage. Okay. Yes, that's very good to have to protect your phone. Now I still have to get the protector, screen protector. So I'll go back and get that, and of course I have to get a case for it as well. I'm definitely getting the Apple Care. I'm getting it. Okay. Let me see. Okay, it has my normal apps. So I have everything Spectrum. My cell phone is Spectrum, and I didn't even know that Spectrum has cell phone service. I just got their internet service, and so I was like, let me check out their cell phone service, because I had Metro PCS, and their Spectrum is cheaper than Metro, because my line is only $29.99. That's it. $29.99. You can't beat that. Okay, so I will be recording all my coffee time videos, day in the life videos, all of them. And it is very nice and sleek. I love it. Nice and smooth. I love it all. And it has the triple lens. Easy to use buttons on the side. Here's the do not disturb button. Okay. Silent button. And then up, down, and then here's you can also just shut it down here. So I love it. And let's see. It comes with let's see what's all in here. I don't want to rip it. Okay, here we go. Okay, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Oh wow. Okay. I have to keep up with the technology, you all. I have to keep up. Okay, and so you have the little Apple sticker. Put the Apple sticker on the back. I love Apple. Y'all know I got Apple everything on my watch, and I'm recording you all on my iPad. Yes, I am recording you all on my iPad. Let me put it down here. Yes. 5G, high definition. Yes, I love it. So y'all tell me if you all have the new iPhone 14 Pro Max or any iPhone 14. And let's see, it also comes with there's the lightning cable. Yes, the lightning cable. Okay. Yes. And y'all know what? I had inquired about this over the phone yesterday. And so I always like to shop around with everything, because you get one deal over the phone and another deal inside the store, and the deal inside the store was perfect. It was perfect. But something told me, go over there to Spectrum, go inside and get what you want. And I did it. And y'all know what? Last night I was just talking to the Most High, and I was just meditating on all the things that I was going to get. And I said, I'm going to get that iPhone 14 Pro Max. I don't care what it takes. And look, I manifested it. So now I could charge this. You know, you could charge this your cell phone from the back of your computer. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay. I have so many of these, but hey, I'm not complaining. The more the merrier. The more the merrier. So I thank y'all for tuning into this video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And y'all tell me, like I say, if y'all have the new iPhone 14, tell me which one you have, what color you have, and they even had it in purple. They had it in purple. I told him I don't care which color. Just bring me one. Just bring me one. Yes, I am so excited. So tomorrow I'll go and get a case for it and a screen protector as well. Yeah. So bye-bye.